stoked to head back to Dreamforce after missing the last 5 years. I like to joke that my love story with Salesforce began at 2018 at Dreamforce when I attended as an admin, but at that point I had no idea how great the ecosystem is, how big it is, and how wonderful the people are. This year, I'm most looking forward to all the connections I'm sure to make. It's impossible to attend the event and not leave with a renewed invigoration to solve problems, a renewed sense of purpose, and a renewed contact list of best friends, all trying to do the same for their own companies. I've got my eye on all things manufacturing this year, and like most people, very interested in seeing the latest and greatest as it pertains to GPT and AI. Can't wait to see you all there.